Ever bought tickets for friends or had a change of plans and needed to send your seats to someone else? If you're using TickPick, transferring tickets is fast, free, and only takes a minute. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it. Start by heading to tickpick.com or open the TickPick mobile app. Either works the same way. Log into your account, then look for the section labeled Orders or Account Dashboard. This is where all your purchase and accepted tickets are stored. Next, scroll through your list and select the event ticket you want to transfer. Once you tap or click on that ticket, you'll see an option that says Transfer Ticket. Go ahead and choose that. Now you'll be asked to enter the details of the person you're sending the ticket to. Type in their first name, last name, and either their email address or phone number. There's usually an option to include a note if you want to add a quick message, totally optional. After you've double-checked the info, hit Transfer Ticket. TickPick will send the ticket to the recipient instantly. And the best part, there are no extra fees for doing this. They'll receive the ticket directly, and you don't have to worry about printing, forwarding, or paying anything extra. That's really all it takes. Whether you're gifting a ticket, selling to a friend, or just passing it along, this is the easiest and most secure way to do it. If this walkthrough made things clearer for you, stick around for more quick guides just like this and consider subscribing so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your event.